guys. Okay, so how many of you guys have old clumpy, can y'all even see in there? Can you see the clump inside? Maybe right there, that clump. So don't throw these away. I've just learned this new trick. I can't tell you how many bottles I threw away recently, but then I came across this product and it is ORLY and it's nail lacquer thinner. Just a minute. You can get this at Sally's for like $5. I think it's $4.99. Okay, and it's just a solvent that you put a couple of drops in your polish and it restores the life of your polish. I'm dying. Okay, so maybe all of you guys knew about this and I'm just late to the party, which is not anything that's super surprising if you know me, but this has changed my life, okay? All right, so all you do, it says apply 1 to 2 drops to thicken nail lacquer, and so we're gonna do that. Has a nifty little squirty lid. I'm gonna do 1 drop because my bottle is about half full, so we're just gonna do 1. Ooh, ooh, ah! We're gonna spill it all over the table. Okay, I'm not even sure if I got one in there. I don't know that I even got one in there, y'all. Oh, but it looks so much better, so it must have. Okay, there's a ball in there. There was a ball to shake it up. It was so clumpy and matted up and just horrible that the ball wouldn't even shake. And now the ball is rolling around in there. Rainbow, pearly. I thought it would be so cute for spring. It fixed it. Oh my gosh. It fixed it! 1 drop. 1 drop of that. So now this is perfect. This works. Be just what I need. Dump that out on my carpet. Okay, Orly nail lacquer thinner. You guys, it works. $4.99. You can rescue funky old polish. Who knew? If you knew that, let me know the other things that I'm missing out on in life, okay? Comment and tell me what else I'm missing out on in life. So that's just a little quickie for today. I'm so excited. I threw out all my polishes, but from now on, I'm not. I'm gonna save them. Hoard some more things. So if you learned something new and you like my channel, go ahead and subscribe. That would be so great. And go out and buy this. That's also great. Okay, y'all have a good one. Bye, guys.